Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to start a vending business with only $600. Now, as everyone knows, I have over 28 vending machines and generate over $50,000 a month in revenue. To get started is really simple. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is find a location. So a problem that I personally had and a lot of others have is buying a vending machine with nowhere to put it, which leads to you buying a U-Haul for an extended period of time or spending $300 for 3 months for a storage unit. So to find your location, the first thing you're going to do is go to Fiverr.com. Now, once you're on Fiverr.com, what you're going to do is you're going to type in cold calling service for vending machines. You'll pay around $50 and they'll send you a list back of over 300 different locations they called with a guaranteed 10 to 20 spots. Once you have all these spots, you only have one vending machine, so there's only one thing to do. You're going to pick the spot that makes the most sense to you. You're going to sell the rest of the locations for $250 each, which you can start a business doing such, or you can make a quick $2,500. Now, after you have your location, you're going to find a vending machine. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where do I find a vending machine from? That's pretty simple. So there's the stigma going around that a vending machine has to cost $3,000. That's cap. So on Facebook Marketplace, the most I ever spent on a vending machine was $700, but I bought vending machines for as low as $100 per machine. Now, once you have your vending machine in your location, you're going to call your location negotiate. Now, the negotiation process usually goes like this. If you have someone who doesn't know what's going on, you're going to tell them, I charge $500 to bring my vending machine and $50 per month for renting my machine in your location. But then, this is where you mess their head up at. Watch this. So what I would say is, hey, listen, so I charge about $500 for me bringing my machine here and $50 a month for renting my equipment. But what I'll do for you today, Mr. Store Owner, is I won't charge you to bring my machine. I won't charge you $50 a month. All I ask is that you have your employees fill my machine up and you send me my profit every month. But now that saves you time, money, and gas. Now, the second way this conversation can go is, hey, mister, I have a machine for you. I already have a machine. Okay, no problem. How much is that machine generating? Oh, about $1,000 per month. Okay, so check this out. I'll pay you $500 to use my machine instead of the one you have. I'll pay you 10% of my profits every month. Everyone's happy. Or the third way the conversation could go is, hey, mister, I have this machine. I'll give you 5% of my profit every month. It brings revenue to your company because customers need snacks, customers want that satisfaction, and it makes your business look more professional. Either way the conversation goes, your machine is placed, you're ready to start making money. Now, the last and final step is pretty simple. You have to find food to put within your machine. Now, I don't know where you guys are from, but I'm from the hood. I grew up on EBT, which is food stamp. Ain't no shame in my game, it is what it is, but that's not a bad thing. Hear me out. So typically what vending machine owners do, they go to Walmart and buy their food in bulk to save money. But to save you 50% on that price tag, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Costco and get everything wholesale in bulk. But if you're an EBT baby like me, you know the wonders it has. So with that being said, you'll spend $200 on $400 worth of food stamps, and that's enough food to last 5 vending machines, 10 months. That's all the vending game is really about. It's not much to know about it. It's not much to do about it. That's the vending industry in a nutshell. A lot of these influencers, they try to sell you courses and stretch out content to get you to buy their course. I'm not selling a course. I just want to help you guys make a lot of money fast. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so I can bring you more financial content and help you make money fast.